really fun and easy bracelet that features our very new and very cute Rockhound mix. So this is a 2-strand bracelet with a magnet clasp, and it just has a variety of the stones and these little oval spacers at intervals that kind of pinch the leather together and hold everything in place. Okay, but the gems and the other beads are free floating on the leather. So let's get started. Okay, so I'm going to start off with a pair of these crimpable end caps. These are gold-plated pewter. We also have it in like a silver plate and an antique brass color. It comes in a bag of 2 pieces. How convenient. I have here about 15 inches of 1.6 millimeter buffalo leather. I like that because it's really strong and it still fits through the holes of my gemstones. So this is about 15 inches. I'm going to fold it sharply in half in the middle. And then I'm going to pop one of my end crimps on there, like so. And you shove it in as far as you can, like this. And then I need to squeeze this on there. But if I just squeeze it, sometimes you distort the pattern a lot on the end crimps. So I'm going to cover it with a piece of leather, and then I'm going to squish it with this parallel jaw chain nose plier. This is because I need quite a bit of leverage to squish this pewter end crimp. So I just covered it, and now I'm going to squeeze. Let's take a look at it. Well, it's looking good. So I'm going to turn it over, and then I'm going to give it another squeeze and make sure that the leather don't fall out. There we go. So now I have 2 pieces of leather sticking out of my end crimp, and I'm ready to string some beads. So this is a random mix of stuff. I don't know what's in here. I'm going to start with some small ones. So I have the gemstones from the mix, and to kind of jazz it up a bit, I have these cute little copper plated and brass spacers that I'm going to use for some variety, and I'm not even really paying attention to how I'm stringing it. So you just kind of go random, and if it doesn't fit, you gotta use something else. That's cool. Okay, and I like a variety of shapes and textures. So you see here I'm doing mixed metal with some brass, gold-plated brass and copper. I'm gonna put a big bead somewhere. The trick is, if you have really large beads like these, you don't want to put them kind of in the same vicinity because they're going to like compete with each other. So kind of stagger things if you can. So at this point, I think I want to put on my first little oval link here, and it's going to be kind of like what a spacer bar does. Okay, so you just string it on there like this, and I want it to stay in place. I don't want it to slide, so I'm going to kind of just get my parallel jaw plier again and give it a squeeze. You don't have to squish it really flat, but it does bite down onto the threads like that, and that's good. And then you just keep stringing. So I'll keep going here, and then when you come back, I will be ready to finish off the bracelet. Okay, so I'm just about done stringing up my bracelet. It's looking like this. I kind of really like it. Okay, so you have to keep in mind that your clasp will add about an inch in length, but because the beads are kind of chunky, you'll want to string it a little bit longer than usual so it'll fit you nicely. I'm going to cut my leather down to just about 6 3/4 inches here, and you want to cut a nice even end like this, and then I gotta put both ends into my end crimp like this again. Okay, again you want to cover the metal like so, and then give it a squeeze just like that. Flip it over and give it another squeeze and make sure that it doesn't come out when you pull. Now like that. There we go. So I have my bracelet all strung up, and all I have to do now is attach my magnetic clasp. So I have these really nice oval jump rings. They're about 17 gauge. And I'm just going to use that to connect my magnet clasp. So. It's a little bit tricky to do the magnet clasp because it likes to stick to all the tools. There we go. Do the second side. I'm fighting magnetism here. Hold on. Oh my goodness. Almost. There we go. I gotcha. Let's just drop that on there. And wiggle that shut. Like that. And there you have it. We have our very cute Rockhound double strand leather bracelet. So I hope you like this project, and if you want to try it out yourself, these Rockhound gemstone mixes are only $10 a bag. Amazing price. And we had lots of leftover beads, so you can make another project with it, which is awesome. So if you want to make this and you need the supplies, just drop us a line below, comment, or email us, or give us a call, and we'll be happy to help you put something together. Okay? Happy beading! Bye!